This is Colonel Wingnuts with Worlds Above for Channel 22. The first astronomers just studied the sky with their eyes. Most advances in astronomy since then use larger and larger versions of the human eyeball. The bigger the telescope, the more light it can gather, and so the dimmer the distant object it can see. Radio astronomers are learning to use the entire Earth as a telescope. They use the technique of interferometry. This means that two radio receivers many miles apart listen to the same frequency. They record their radio noise together and later compare what they heard by running it simultaneously through a computer. This makes the two receivers equivalent to an enormous telescope with a diameter of the size of the distance between them. In the last few years, scientists have made a telescope the size of the North American continent. A few years later, they made a telescope the size of the Pacific Ocean. Recently, by using orbiting satellites, they made an enormous telescope equivalent to 1.5 times the size of our entire planet. The next step is to put a radio telescope on the moon and use the Earth and moon together to make a telescope 30 times the size of our planet. This instrument could answer such ancient questions such as what all is out there, what does it look like, and is there an end to it all?